So this is a demonstration of the Auger flow counter that I've developed. The purpose of this device is to measure the output from an auger, supplying product from a bulk bin such as animal feed. It basically is used in systems where they haven't got anything to measure the flow. So on some sites they might have a tip whale or some other flow measurement device, whereas a lot of sites such as broiler poultry farms don't have measurement. But with the price increase in feed, something to measure the outflow to more accurately measure how much feed you've used and to reduce waste is required. What this device does is measure how long the augers run for, and you calibrate it, and then you can then calculate in that batch how much product's been used, and that adds that to a total weight. So if you look here on the measurement screen, you've got R time and R weight, which is the run time for the sort of batch that's in process, then a total weight which is added to the completion of that batch. So if you basically connect it onto the contactor of the auger and on an auxiliary contact, and I'm simulating this just with a switch here. When the auger runs, it then calculates the product that's gone through the auger. You calibrate that by pressing C and D together for 3 seconds. So at the moment, so I can put that down, say to 5 seconds for 10 kilograms. So we calibrate it by measuring how long it takes to produce 10 kilograms of product, and then obviously you get that a value for kilograms per second. So 10 kilograms of chicken food I've got here. So this is about a bucket full. So I've got a scale set up here. So if I turn that on, you would basically put this under the auger and measure how long it takes. So that's about 10 kilograms, it's about a bucket full. So it's about a 3-gallon bucket, 14 litres. So on this calibration screen, so say that took 5 seconds. Then once that's done, you press exit. Then you run it again. So if we run it for say 10 seconds. It's about 20 kilograms. And then that adds that to total weight. So if we run it for another 5 seconds or so, that'll add that on. When you refill your tank, your bulk bin, you can reset it. So at the moment we've just got 0.05 tons, so total weight is in tons. And when you refill your bulk bin, if you hold down reset, it will reset the total weight back to 0. So if I calibrate, I'll go through calibration process again. So it's C and D together for 3 seconds. I'm going to put this down to 1. So that would give us 10 kilograms per second. Press exit. So that'll fill up quite quickly. So put that on. So if we put 100 kilos in there, which would be 10 seconds, that will then add that. Now the value of total weight is saved in the EEPROM, which is permanent storage. So if the power goes off, so it's powered by 230 volts, I've just got it on a 13 amp plug. So if I turn it off, it retains the total weight in memory. So I'll put that back on again. And we'll add another 100 kilos. Then obviously to reset it, press A for 5 seconds. This is designed to be retrofitted to existing systems as a sort of simple way to control the amount of feed and reduce the waste, particularly at the end of the crops, so you don't waste too much food. Thank you.